Travis with UTV Window Tint today, showing you this Can-Am Defender. This is a crew cab. We installed our ceramic kit on it. We did 70% ceramic on the windshield, 35% banner, 50 on the front doors, with a 35% rear. So this is going to be a high heat rejection. We do have one more step above this, the Apex film. The Apex film is going to be the Ultra. That's going to block up to 94% of heat coming into the machine. That's important if you're hauling your kids and your wife around on a hot day. Your AC is going to work better. The amount of heat coming through the film is going to be dramatically less. So this is a do-it-yourself kit. This customer bought the kit, actually lived close enough that he wanted us to install it, so we got the opportunity to work on his machine. Everything fit A+. The banner comes down about 6 to 8 inches. I think it landed at, measuring from the outside, from the top of the windshield down to the bottom, was 7.5. The windshield fit flawlessly. All these quarter windows fit perfect. The roll-ups fit good. We do have install videos on our website to show you how to install them. They do suggest the master install kit with that. That is going to be your soap, your scrubby, your razor blades, and the 3 install tools. That is dramatically going to help you install this machine. So if you're looking for any more window tint for these Can-Am Defenders, Polaris Rangers, or any other machines, check out our website, UtvWindowTint. My name's Travis, I'm the owner. Give me a call, 920-375-1333.